Hi guys, had a special request to get this jigsaw done. Mark Volmayer wanted to see it done. He saw my charity shop video where I bought it. 3D jigsaw puzzle. Includes 3D glasses. They are in there. Cost me £1.50. It caught my eye because I just liked the actual picture. Some sort of a machine. A chicken. A robot. Various bits and pieces. Oh, it's actually got Can You Spot the Diver's Helmet? Umbrella, Doll and Till, Organ, Insect, Lifebuoy, Drill. Can you find an elephant? A hammer and a sickle, a candle, a kettle, a barbecue, a trumpet, and a pickle. Well, it doesn't say chicken, but there's definitely a chicken there. I expect with the 3D glasses and you move it around, you might be able to see more. Anyway, we will do it. I'll put you on the tripod. It'll actually be upside down, but we can fix that in editing. $250 pieces. That should take me 2 to 3 hours, I would expect. There's the glasses. Last piece. That's it finished. And of course, one piece missing. I don't know whether you'll be able to see the 3D effect. I've got the glasses. I could put them up to the camera, I suppose, but that's no good because we can only do one colour at a time. Yeah, really doesn't help. So you'll have to use your own glasses and look at the screen. And finally, we could just try the little rhyme up in the corner of things to look for. Diver's helmet, umbrella, doll, till. Diver's helmet, umbrella, that's the doll, and that's the till or cash register. Organ, insect, lifebuoy, drill, that's the organ. That's the insect, looks like a mosquito. I think that's the lifebuoy. And I think that's an electric drill just there. And then elephant, hammer, sickle. Elephant's there in the middle of the fan. Hammer's up there, really need the 3D glasses to see that. And that's the sickle. And then we got candle, kettle and barbecue. Candle's easy enough. Kettle. Barbecue. I think it's that. It's just possible it's that, one of those gas barbecues. That's what that looks like to me. Could be something completely different. But I think it's probably that. And then finally, a trumpet and a pickle. Trumpet's up on top there. And pickle, down here we have a box labelled Peter Piper's Pickle Company. So I guess that's supposed to be the pickle, just there. And that's it. Job done. If you've got your own 3D glasses, then you might be able to look at it now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.